Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use a gentle mantra repetition to develop equanimity as we learn to hold life's ups and downs. Start by finding a quiet place to sit. Let your spine lengthen with ease. Gently close your eyes. Soften your shoulders and find a comfortable place to rest your arms and hands. Relax all the muscles in your face and neck. And as you begin to settle in, take a moment to release tension elsewhere in your body. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Without forcing it, allow your inhales and exhales to gradually become longer and deeper. Feel your ribs and lungs expanding on your in-breath. Let them soften fully on your out-breath. Now return to a relaxed and easy breath. And for the next few moments, simply watch your breath exactly as it is. As you follow the full length of your inhales and exhales, let your breathing be spontaneous and get curious about what it feels like to breathe. There's no need to shape or change your breath in any way. Just stay present and open to all sensations as you follow your inhales and exhales. Now, we'll begin with the practice of Upekkha. Upekkha is a Pali word that translates as equanimity. In this tradition, equanimity is defined as a sense of ease and peace that comes from our ability to accept things just as they are. As we work with Upekkha, we are staying open and present to whatever arises while greeting it all with a sense of calm and evenness. As you repeat the following phrases, tune into their meaning and notice how they resonate. May I be free of attachment and aversion. May I welcome life just as it is. May I be free of attachment and aversion. May I welcome life just as it is. May I be free of attachment and aversion. May I welcome life just as it is. May I be free of attachment and aversion. May I welcome life just as it is. Now allow the words to dissolve, and with the next few breaths, just observe your experience without judging or labeling it, and without changing it. We'll return to the phrases of Upekkha once again, this time directing them to someone in our lives who is facing hardship. There's no need to overthink this. Whoever comes up first, hold them in your heart and silently repeat the following phrases. May you be free of attachment and aversion. May you welcome life just as it is. May you be free of attachment and aversion. May you welcome life just as it is. May you be free of attachment and aversion. May you welcome life just as it is. May you be free of attachment and aversion. May you welcome life just as it is. And again, rest in your experience for a few breaths. Now let your awareness widen. It would be easy to assume that equanimity is like indifference or disinterest, but it's actually the contrary. In fact, the practice of Upekkha allows us to deepen our capacity to face the ups and downs while truly being present to all that life brings. Instead of labeling an experience or a feeling as right or wrong, equanimity teaches us to hold everything with an open, receptive, and accepting heart. Over time, Upekkha allows us to release our biases and to show up to whatever arises without feeling like we want to push away what's challenging, or to desperately grasp onto what's pleasant. Equanimity is a quality that helps us stay fully present with each and every moment, exactly as it is. But remember, it takes patience and practice to develop Upekkha. Just do your best to show up with an open, gentle heart, no matter what comes up in your day. Notice what it's like to step into each of your feelings and experiences with softness and ease, rather than rejecting or clinging to what arises. Now feel into your breath again. Notice your whole body breathing with you. And when you're ready, let your eyes gently open. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.